Uh, Good evening. Uh, yeah, man, it's a Saturday. I like to do simple analysis on GBPAUD. We'll take it from here because I already know the direction. It looks like it's going up. So we're going to just look at it from this aspect here. It's on a weekly time frame because it looks like it has completed a market cycle. Yeah, oopsie. So I'm just checking a few things. Let me just fix my fib stuff. Yeah, we'll get to those. Anyway, Elliot Wave. My name's ELLiMODO. Hi again. So yeah, this chat would probably look like this, or it's gonna look like this. Start off with a simple 1, 2, 3, 4, and my 5 there. All right, let's make these huge. Yeah, let's do that. And then inside here again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up there. Let's check something. Full margin entry from this aspect here to there. That is my 3. There to there. I have that as my full margin entry. So I would have had a sweet 5 there. But anyway, let's just check retracement levels. Retracement, there was no retracement around here. There was slight retracement around here. But it looks like it just took this one. So we'll basically do this. B, and then let's see. Let's just do that again. All right, now we have that correction, right? We have a simple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going up. We have this correction. So basically what we should be having is a projection of a 3, right? In this case, if my 3 was like that, I'd expect somewhere around here to be where prices come in at, right? So if we have that, we look at what the current price is at or what it's doing, right? So now we're going to focus on this price here. This price level, we can delete that. Go back to our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, simple 1, 2, maybe a 3 there, maybe a 4, maybe a 5. We're not sure. We're just randomly drawing these things. We'll just validate these. 3, bottom point, top point, where's my 3? Around that zone, yeah, okay, that's my 3, 4, 5, right? Or maybe, yeah, something like that. So that we could have an ABC inside. So it would look like that, ABC. Let's just reduce the size of that. Yeah, and then we'd have something like that. ABC again, all the way up there. So this is just another simple one. Let's check it. This point, top point, all the way to that 1. If we take that to the 1%, I would have had exactly a pinpoint shadow entry. But anyway, yeah, so if we have something like that, let's measure this and measure what is currently happening in this price level, right? From this bottom point to that top point. If that's my 1, where's price didn't really do anything much around this decision point. Maybe it bounced off this way, that way, to make a simple A inside. and then taking a C here. So we might just have a big one like this, A, B, and then a C down, maybe here. Yeah, let's just do that. So there's two decision points I always say, guys. I don't know why people don't know about decision points, but yeah, there's two decision points, just that and that. So when price bounces off, you know that it's a very respectable price, right? But anyway, let's get to that again. So if we're expecting this movement, we now tend to look at what has happened in here. That's a decision point. Okay, let's just mark the zone. We'll just mark that. That's a decision point, right? Then we delete that and then we expand it slightly to see what is happening in here. Right. What do we see? A 1, 2, maybe a 3, 4. Yeah, simple stuff. We check these things, this point to that point to here. Where is it? Okay, that's my 3. Or maybe that's it there. Yeah. Yep. I've gotten that again. Let's take it this way. 1, 2, right. Let's reduce the sizes of these. Yeah, they look okay now. So it would look like that, right? This marked zone is our decision point of that big weekly aspect, right? And then we look at this point again. What has price done around here? Because these are weeks, keep in mind. This is big detail. So just take that again, check that. Where is it? Around the 60%, around a retracement level. So it's still marked around this zone. So this is basically, if you check this, this is a kink entry. Big up, man. So Sabari. So yeah, basically prices to bounce off. Oh, well, I don't know why they're screaming, but yeah. Basically, I'm expecting price to return around the zone here. And then we're going to have it knock off that. If you're to look at it again in maybe daily aspect, I mean, we basically analyzing. This is how you analyze, guys. This is how you mark zones. This is how you look for entry points. So basically the zone here I marked is around my entry point. Let's delete that. We know our entry point is around here. We take a look at this again. What do we have in this case? Inside here, we just have a simple 1, 2, 3, 4 here all the way to the 5. 5 would be, sorry for that. My screen is kind of small. If I had like a big ass screen, it'll look hella pretty. Sorry for moving that. So yeah, it would look like this. So we have an entry around the zone here. This is the entry point. So in this case, it's going to be like a nice buy, because in this case, measuring it from here is a retracement level, the 61% level from this point to that point. And then on that weekly aspect around the zone, again, it's a decision point, so that we expect price to bounce off these zones. So this is a very, very strong zone. And then we have a simple ABC in here to give us this A. Let's just make that a little smaller. Yeah. Then she would look like this. Oh yeah, let's just do that. Yeah. Hey, dog, this gotta be everywhere. So yeah, we should expect price to do something like this. So our next buy entry point would be around this zone here. Market like that. Yeah, let's just make everything kind of even. It's just, oh shit, it's in a buy zone. But this is the nice one here, just at the bottom here. I'd take a whole sweet entry like this here. So we're just waiting for price to go back up here now in this case. So in this case, we just try and measure all the way up to that 6% or 5% price. That's a nice buy. That's a lot of money if you ask me. That's a lot of money. So here's another free trade.